$10 billion. Yes, that is the valuation Lenskart is seeking for its upcoming IPO. I am sure अगर आप इंडिया में हैं तो आपने Lenskart के बारे में जरूर सुना होगा because that now owns 30% market share in the eyewear category. Hi, my name is Anshul Bajaj and in this video I'm gonna share with you some learnings from Lenskart's founder Piyush Bansal and how and what you can apply in your business and get results. So let's dive into it. But before that, please subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comment which point appealed to you the most. Let's go dive in. About 1 year back, I attended a first session with Piyush Bansal in our community. And today what I'm going to share with you is few things that he shared with us in that session. And ये वो बातें हैं जो personally मेरे को बहुत अपील करी थी as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, and I am sure कि ये कुछ बातें आपको भी बहुत अपील करेंगी. So the first thing Piyush Bansal shared is that if you know his story, he was working with Microsoft and then he shifted to India and he started with something called as searchmycampus.com where he was helping students find housing. So he said कि जब हम स्टूडेंट थे तो हाउसिंग का बहुत इशू था स्टूडेंट पे and he started this startup called Search My Campus. But he shared that while he was working, while he was present in 1500 campuses already, there was a deep desire in him to create something that is very meaningful and that is purpose driven. In his words, he said कि जब मैं जाऊं उसके बाद भी लोग याद करें, लोग ऐसी कंपनी हो जो चलती रहे. And that tells me that बहुत बार हम जब बिजनेस कर रहे होते हैं, काम कर रहे होते हैं ना, तो सुपरफिशियली कर रहे होते हैं पैसे के लिए या एक पोजीशन के लिए. बट व्हाट ब्रिंग्स मैक्सिमम रिजल्ट, व्हाट ब्रिंग्स दैट ग्रोथ ऑल्टीट्यूड की एक कंपनी जो 15 साल के अंदर इज आस्किंग फॉर अ वैल्यूएशन ऑफ $10 billion which is close to now 90,000 crores. So create a company, create a business which is purpose driven, which has something deep down more than profits, more than money. Maybe it shifts something, maybe it transforms how we are doing it. Like even with Piyush, he's selling something very simple. He's selling glasses, he's selling lenses. He said that India is the blind capital of the world and almost 50% Indians need eyewear, but they don't use it, they don't do it. And that to me appealed something that this is a purpose. This is something he's transforming how India has the eyewear industry of India. And to you it could also mean कि क्या चीज मैं ऐसी करूं जिससे एक deep purpose, एक deep transformation पूरी दुनिया में create हो. This is also called something as the moonshot idea. It is an idea where you are shooting to the moon, you're shooting in the sky, and if that clicks, that fundamentally, radically shifts how we operate. So the second thing Piyush shared in that session is that he shared कि कैसे जब when he was building the company, जब बहुत सारे लोग आ रहे थे, teams आ रही थी, and when we are all in that expansion phase, what is most important when we are looking out for people, when we are building team? And he shared something called as the culture fit. क्या ये बंदा जो कंपनी में आ रहा है, क्या ये मेरे कल्चर फिट है, क्या ये बंदा मेरे कल्चर को समझेगा? एंड दिस मेक्स द बिग डिफरेंस बिकॉज जैसा वो कहते हैं ना कि एक मछली पूरे तालाब को गंदा कर देती है. वन स्पॉइल्ड onion can ruin the whole basket. And this is very important. जब हम लोग कंपनीज को ग्रो कर रहे हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को ग्रो कर रहे हैं, कुछ ऐसे लोग मिलेंगे जो कल्चर फिट नहीं है, जो आपके वैल्यू सिस्टम को आगे बाजार में, आगे स्टेक होल्डर्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं कर रहे, आपके वैल्यू सिस्टम से, एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के वैल्यू सिस्टम से अलग चल रहे हैं. एंड दैट becomes very important. And I am sure if you're running a company, by now you know that who is that person who is not a culture fit. और बहुत बार as entrepreneurs हम उस आदमी को कंपनी में रहने देते हैं, शायद वो कुछ परफॉर्म कर रहा होता है, शायद इसलिए, या because we don't want to fire someone. And trust me, that black sheep may be stopping your growth, may be affecting your goodwill in the market. And that culture fit is very, very important. Look for competence, yes. Look for skills, yes. But always judge. And there's this quadrant called the culture fit quadrant where you can actually base out कि कौन से लोग हैं जो आपकी कंपनी के कल्चर फिट हैं और कौन से लोग हैं जो उस कल्चर फिट में लाए जा सकते हैं विद ट्रेनिंग, विद डायलॉग, बट कौन से लोग हैं जो बिल्कुल चेंज नहीं होंगे, जो बिल्कुल कल्चर फिट के ऑपोजिट जा रहे हैं. And help this transformation, do this transformation. And this is what even Piyush told his managers who are hiring, who's his directors, कि hire करना है culture fit देख के करना है. Next thing he shared is that when you are expanding, when you are growing, so when Piyush they created a company which was customer focused. So जब Lenskart originally आया, it was online, but online में problem क्या आती थी कि चश्मे को try कैसे करेंगे. So they did the 3D try on where you could just scan your face and you can try how these glasses will look out. They went a first step further and they started opening offline stores. और जब offline store बनाने लगे तो कहीं ना कहीं जो लोग hire हुए उस समय वो इतने trained नहीं थे, and because of that they were having a lot of complaints from the market, and then that's where he realized their failure of not training the people, and Lenskart there hence created a culture of training of L&D. and कहीं ना कहीं एज MSME SME हम वो ट्रेनिंग कल्चर, वो लर्निंग डेवलपमेंट कल्चर को भूल जाते हैं. ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऐसा बोला जाता है कि आपके पियोन से लेकर आपके CEO तक सब लोग को ट्रेन करना जरूरी है. सब लोग एक ही मैसेज, एक ही एनर्जी, एक ही कल्चर बाजार में दे रहे हैं. And that is very important. You have to train the people. I want you to play this mind game with me. It's called the mind image game. तो होगा क्या, मैं आपके लिए कुछ नाम बोलूंगा और आपको ये देखना है कि क्या ऐसी चीजें हैं जो आपके दिमाग में आती हैं. So I want you to play this mind game with me. So होता क्या है, हमारा जो माइंड है ये इमेजेस में सोचता है. And what I want you to do is I will speak some names and you have to see कि क्या इमेज आपके दिमाग में आ रही है. Are you ready? Yes. So, in this mind image game, the first word is Reliance. क्या इमेज आपके दिमाग में आई? Okay, let me say the second word, Tata. क्या इमेज आपके दिमाग में आई? And now let me say the name, Lenskart. क्या इमेज आपके दिमाग में आई? Whatever is your answer is your truth, but I just want to tell you that from the lowest to the higher ranking official, training your people in every area, every department is a must, and that is what we've created, Piyush has created with Lenskart. The next thing he shares is जब उसकी journey पे थे, so they made a decision of putting up a huge manufacturing facility. So Lenskart has their factory in Bhiwadi, and when they were started doing it, when they were putting in capital, तब वो बहुत losses में थी company. Everyone discouraged, everyone told him that's not the best thing to do. But he said, I want to simplify how I wear. He said you have to simplify and you have to make it very predictable. हो क्या रहा है कि अगर आपका चश्मा 24 घंटे या 48 घंटे में बन के नहीं आया तो लोग खरीदेंगे नहीं. And for that business model to be successful, he said I'm gonna set up the factory, and he set up a huge unit, and he said I want to make eyewear delivery, I want to make the delivery of glasses as predictable as a pizza delivery, and they have been able to achieve it. Now I think they deliver in the next 24 hours after you place the order. What does that mean for you? It is so important to create predictability in business for your customer. आपके कस्टमर को predictability. So what is a brand if you essentially think of it? ब्रांड इज अ प्रॉमिस कि आपने अगर एक नाइकी का जूता पहना है तो उसमें वो कंफर्ट मिलेगा, उसमें वो डिजाइन मिलेगा. एंड इज योर बिजनेस दैट प्रेडिक्टेबल? आर यू गिविंग दैट सर्टेनिटी टू योर कस्टमर कि यस एवरी टाइम ऐसी क्वालिटी मिलेगी, एवरी टाइम वो टाइम पे डिलीवरी मिलेगी, एवरी टाइम द टर्म्स विल बी लिव्ड अप टू? इफ नॉट, नो, then there is something you need to rethink in your business model, because this predictability is what's going to drive you success. This predictability can make your business up to a $10 billion valuation, my friends. Just audit yourself, just analyze yourself. कहाँ पे वो predictability, कहाँ पे वो certainty element miss हो रहा है? शायद वो आपकी quality में, शायद वो आपकी service में, शायद वो आपके communication में, शायद वो delivery time पे. But where is it missing? Maybe it's the promise you live up to your customers for. And once that happens, trust me, people are out there to buy products, to buy services. They just want to make the real, they just want people to live up to their promise. And you know, Piyush, I heard him, he says something, he said D2C क्या है? D2C ये है कि आप layers को हटा रहे हो, you're reaching out to the customers, saying that yes, the customer knows the best. और बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स ऐसे हैं जो प्रॉमिस कुछ कर रहे हैं, प्रॉमिस एक्स कर रहे हैं पर डिलीवर वाई कर रहे हैं, और इसीलिए बहुत सारे आपको फेल्ड स्टार्टअप्स मिलेंगे, फेल्ड कंपनीज मिलेंगी. आर यू नॉट डूइंग दैट? Yes or no? In the end, I want to close this video by saying that we are here to grow. We are here to grow our business, and learning from mentors, learning from people is the best way. If there is something that applies to you, share in the comment box. and let me know how it was for you. Thank you.